Hello students, how are you? Hope you're doing well. And today our topic is different cell for different functions. We already discussed plant and animal cell, but in a multicellular organism there are more than one type of cells. So we discuss one by one most of them. As you know that a unicellular organism like paramecium is made up of one cell, and the single cell perform all the functions which is needed to keep it alive. But in case of multicellular organism it is not like that. We have different type of cells in our body like RBCs, egg cells, sperm cells, white blood cells, the different types of cell we have. So in multicellular organisms, however, are up of different types, but they have this different functions in them. They have different specialization in them. So we call this as division of labor. The different cells are working for multicellular organism and performing different functions in multicellular organism. It means that it is division of labor. Okay, the first one is the nerve cell. What is the nerve cell? The nerve cell function is it carry messages. Okay, a nerve cell carry messages. If you feel pain in some part of a body, how do you feel it? If you are hit by the door, how do you feel it? Within seconds, the nerve cell convey the message to your brain that this part is effective and you feel the pain. So the nerve cell convey the message in the form of electrical signal. What it has the branched ending. You can see here. It has the branch ending which receive the messages in the form of electrical signal, and it has a long fiber to pass message to the other nerve cells. Like you can see that this is a long fiber here. The cell catches the signals from here, passes from these long fibers, and at the end it comes to our brain. This is the nucleus of the nerve cell. These are the branches and this is the long fiber. Now coming towards the next, we have the red blood cell, RBCs. Red blood cells containing a red pigment. This is a red pigment in them called hemoglobin. We call that red pigment hemoglobin, which enables us to transport oxygen. The function of hemoglobin is to transport oxygen. Its shape is circular and flattened in the middle. Flattened in the middle on the both sides. Like जैसे बेटा आप लोग देखते हो जैसे रोटी बेलते हैं हम, दोनों तरफ से फ्लैट होती है, ज़्यादा मोटी अगर हो तो, ठीक है, इस तरह जो है it is flattened and giving it a large surface area. You can see here in the middle it is flattened from the both sides. This allow it to take up oxygen quickly. इसकी मदद से क्या होता है, ये ऑक्सीजन को जल्दी से एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं. Next one is move from one place to another. Sperm cell have a long tail. Its function is it move from one place to another, and a long tail enable it to swim towards the egg to fertilize it. Next one is as we already studied this cell, it is a palisade cell, and it is circular in shape and cylindrical in shape, and it is present on the upper surface of the leaf. As you know that it has the chloroplast, and what is the function of the chloroplast? It has the chlorophyll in it, and chlorophyll absorb light, and what does it do? And then it prepared the food for the plant by the process of the photosynthesis. Next one is the guard cells. What are the guard cell? Guard cell always occur in the pair. You can see here. This one is 1 and this one is second. 2 stoma present here. One cell opening is known as tiny opening here is known as stoma, and its plural is as you see there are 2 stomas, so it is known as stomata. They are used to open or close, and gases enter and leave when it is open, and gases does not enter or leave when it is closed. So it is the function of the guard cells. It controls the size of opening. We have already discussed here opening and closing of stoma. Okay, the last one is a root hair. A root hair of a plant is a long narrow prostruian which increase its surface area. What does this mean? Prostruian mean फैलाव. ठीक है, जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा कि जो रूट्स होती हैं अंडरग्राउंड वो क्या होती हैं, फैली होती हैं और बहुत नैरो पतली पतली सी होती हैं, और वो काफ़ी अंदर तक जो है काफ़ी नीचे तक जो है वो जा रही होती हैं, ताकि वो क्या करती हैं वहाँ से सॉइल के अंदर से वाटर और मिनरल्स को जल्दी से एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है. तो ये किसका फंक्शन है? रूट हेयर. दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द रूट हेयर. I hope so, students, you understand the lesson. It was very easy, and thank you so much.